Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, eto nagbabalik after so long. I think it has been, I don't know, maybe 3 years na siguro akong hindi nagpa-flying. And ngayon, eto, nagbabalik uniform po tayo. Pero I just wanted to tell you guys na sobrang na-miss ko mag-vlog. Ang tagal since nung last upload ko. Nag-take muna ako ng break kasi sobrang daming nangyari sa buhay ko. So nagkaroon ako ng medyo a little bit of crisis kung paano gagawin sa relationship, sa life. I'm going through marriage pa or magkakaanak pa ako. But I don't really know. So ngayon, finally, I've decided to follow what my heart truly wants. At ito talaga yung gusto kong gawin. Gusto kong bumalik sa flying. Kaya, ayan, nagbabalik na po tayo. 2 things that I love the most. First is flying. And second, of course, vlogging. Namiss ko kayo, guys! Namiss ko kayo ng sobra-sobra. I hope you guys will continue watching my vlogs. Ito na yung start ulit na magpa-vlog na ako. Consistently, papakita ko po sa inyo yung training, yung journey ko ulit from the start. Kumbaga parang balik tayo ulit sa 2019. For those who couldn't speak Tagalog, I'm so sorry, but I've decided to speak Tagalog on most of my vlogs because I'm more comfortable doing it. By the way, explain ko lang sa inyo, hindi pa ako tapos sa training. Magte-training pa lang ulit ako kasi kailangan kong umulit ng training since it's been 3 years na hindi ako lumilipad. So, hindi ko siya na-practice ng 3 taon. At kailangan bumalik ulit ako dun sa academy, yung tinatawag nating AirAsia Academy before, pero ngayon tawag namin dun is CAE. So today kaya po ako naka-uniform kasi meron po tayong event, motorcycle car racing event siguro. Mamaya malalaman natin. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ba yung lifestyle kapag uma-attend kayo ng mga events. Kita nyo yung mga flight attendants sa mga news kagaya nito, events na overseas or ano naman, parang mga sponsorships, mga media launch, or mga marketing. Ito yon. Ito yung life ng flight attendant kapag ganun. Update ko lang din kayo. Yes, me and Eddie broke up. We're no longer together. Nag-break na po kami. We're happy for each other. Doon na siya nakabase sa Europe. So, hindi na talaga siya mag-work. And ako, dito naman ako nakabase sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Single na po ako. Yun yung unang update. Very, very, very single. And I'm enjoying my single life right now. I am dating someone, but for now, focus muna sa sarili, focus sa career and what I really wanted in life. It could change maybe in a year or 2, but for now, ako muna. What? Grabe, enough na yung pagsasacrifice for guys. Enough na yun, wala nang ganun. Yung mga deeper na updates, siguro sa susunod na vlogs ko na i-share sa inyo kapag ready ako. Baka maiyak kasi ako. Kita nyo naman, hindi ako pwede umiyak, nakaayos na yung makeup ko today. Kung itatanong nyo po, bakit hindi ako lumipad ng 3 taon? First reason is, I thought kasi parang magpa-family na ako doon. Kung magde-decide akong lumipad and then suddenly I get pregnant or I get married, masisira yung plan kasi bawal kang lumipad ng buntis. Pwede naman, pero syempre hindi mo siya magagawa for 9 months, diba? So, ganun yung ginawa ko. Nag-work muna ako sa office. I worked in social media. I handle social media ng company namin and ng boss namin. So, yun yung naging work ko for the past 3 years. At some point, nalipad din ako ng iba't ibang department. Nag-handle ako ng influencers, KOLs, and to be honest, sobrang kakaiba yung feeling pag sa office ka nag-work kasi same yung mga tao na makikita mo everyday. It's a good experience for me. I learned so much. I didn't even know na makakayanan kong mag-office, pero nakaya ko siya. Nandun pa rin yung travels, kaya nakikita nyo palagi pa rin akong nasa aeroplano. So every now and then, we go to different countries to attend some events. But not as a flight attendant before. I was attending events as a social media content creator for my company. Pero ngayon, ayan, talagang nag-contemplate ako. Ilang beses ko itong pinag-iisipan. Mga 1 taon ko itong pinag-iisipan na babalik na talaga ako sa flying. And ito talaga yung gusto ng puso ko. Ito talaga yung sobrang gusto ko talaga mag-flight attendant and mag-vlog. Ayun, let's go to the event na. I'll see you and I'll try my best na makapag-vlog kasi for sure busy. But I'll see you in the event. I've arrived and this is Nazri, right?
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for picking me up. I have no idea where was it.
No worries. So hopefully you enjoy your first time here in Sepang.
Thank you so much. So ito na yung racing. Ganyan papanoorin.
One is car, the other one is 7.4 with gyms and street bike.
Oh, this is Jim.
Yeah, this
Wow.
is the bike, yeah.
Oh, this is my boss's bike. Look how pretty it is. This is Yamaha, right?
Yeah.
Yamaha. And then another one is this one is BMW. And as you can see, the logo, there's like AirAsia there. And also here, right?
Yeah.
There's AirAsia.
Alright.
That's why I'm here. I'm with Jim. Hi. How long have you been racing?
This is my third day of racing. Because I was trying to improve my times because I'm trying to go faster. And then usually it's always like a trial and error. So unfortunately I just crashed, but I'm fine. Minor bruises here and there, but I'm okay.
It's actually my first time like watching this
Oh, really?
kind of racing. Yeah, I've never watched it, so I don't really understand a lot of it. So how does this work?
I mean, so the race weekend usually starts on Friday. So you have 2 practice sessions, like in the morning and the afternoon. And then Saturday, you have your first session, which is qualifying, which is earlier this morning.
Yeah.
And then the race 1 is, which is later at 3 o'clock. And ideally, you would like to improve all the time, but anything can happen, you know. So yeah, unfortunately I crashed, but I'm okay.
All the best, and we're gonna support you.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Thanks.
Hindi pa pala tayo nagbe-breakfast or even lunch. So ito, Jim is so nice kasi he gave me like some food. I don't know what is this, but let's just eat a little bit. Sana na may mag-enjoy kayo sa mga vlogs ko about my life here in Malaysia. I think this is lamb. Nagpe-prepare na sila. Ito yung mga nagaganap ngayon.
1000 ccb iaitu Raja Nazim. Kalau kita lihat di sesi kelayakan di sebelah pagi tadi.
To be here today pun was like a miracle for me because saya dah 3 bulan tak sentuh motor pun. So actually when I did the paid practice pun, I was trying to find where I am and hopefully I can keep up with the pace right in front of me. Yeah.
Terima kasih Raja dan kita kembali semula bersama dengan Harumi dan juga Nazri.
Baik. Kerana cuaca begitu baik sekali untuk
Panas memang jalan-jalan. Aku baju rapi lagi. Bye-bye.
Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Bigla na lang bumuhos yung ulan dito. Ang interesting ng story ni Bella. Kasi saan ka nag-apply?
From Singapore to KL. Dito sa Bukit Bintang. That time, syempre, pinagandaan ko talaga kasi nga, syempre, malayo ako. Gumastos din ako ng ko, diba? So,
flight.
Oo, talagang minake sure ko, okay yung suit ko, yung grooming ko, tapos yung mga Q&A. Tapos, nung nagpunta ako doon, syempre, medyo, kasi hindi nga ako lang ata yung Pilipino na nag-apply, more on local din. Tapos, ayun, nabasa ko naman na no age, parang age is just a number. So, I was 35 na nung time na yun. So, ayun, dilaban ko lang.
Pero she don't look like 35, diba? She looks like 20-something.
Thank you.
So, thank you so much, Bella. And hopefully, I'll fly with you.
Yeah,
hopefully.
sana.
In racing.
Start from 7 years old. Then from 16 years old, I've been in the Moto3 World Championship.
Whoa.
And then I start to join World Superbike WSBK in this year. Oh no, last year. Last year I was in Super Sport. But this year I go in 1000cc. So it's gonna be my first. It's really interested, but.
And guess what's his age? You're only what?
26.
Oh my god. We're in the same. Tapos na yung event ko. Ayan, AirAsia. Uwi na muna ako, magpapalit ako kasi may another event ako for tonight. Pero yung for tonight, sponsored din siya ng same company. Pero I'm just there as, for fun and hang out with my friends. I'm home! So, grabe, sobrang nakakapagod kasi malayo po yung bahay ko. Kung saan yung usually nag-i-stay yung mga flight attendants. Sa mismong city kasi ako nag-i-stay ngayon and bibigyan ko kayo ng konting room tour. Dito ako nagme-makeup. Hindi nyo makikita yung makeup kasi gusto ko nakatago sila dito sa mga drawers. Ito yung bed. Nag-aaral ako mag-keyboard tsaka gitara. Pero ngayon hindi ako makapag-gitara kasi mahaba yung kuko ko. Tapos, ito medyo matagal na yung flowers. Pero super ganda pa din. May nagpadala sa akin, hindi ko sasabihin kung sino, secret. You know what? Natutunan ko na wag na masyadong mag-share sa social media when it comes to love life. So, I wanted to keep everything private pagdating sa dating life ko and relationship. Kasi parang mas peaceful, mas special kapag hindi masyadong sinishare lahat. So, yun yung isa siguro sa mga natutunan ko din. Tapos, grabe, nakauwi ako mga 5:30 na. Tapos, sobrang pagod ko. Kakagising ko lang. Now, it's already 8 p.m. And medyo rushing. Nagmamadali tayo kasi dapat kanina pa kami magkikita ng friend ko na taga Malaysia. Her name is Leona. So, I think nakita nyo naman na siya sa mga vlogs ko before. Nakatulog ako nung naka full makeup. Kaya touch up lang tayo ng konti. Malapit na si Leona and malapit na natin siya i-meet. Hi! I'm vlogging today!
Oh, hello!
I'm back to vlogging!
I'm pretty today.
Here's your power bank for anything else. I know your phone's dying all the time. So guys, this is Leona. I'm back! Oh my god, come to my bed! Because I was wearing the uniform earlier. So I thought like, okay, maybe this is the start of me going back to YouTube. So this is Leona, my BFF in in KL. But she's now based in UK, but she's visiting for a week or two.
Yeah, I haven't decided how long.
Oh, you haven't booked your flight ticket? Bye. Okay, and now we're going to the Loop Festival.
To meet our other best friend.
Yeah, the Fat Club!
You know my followers asked to do Fat Club vlog.
Oh, then let's do that.
Yeah, let's do.
Are you vlogging today?
No,
You didn't bring your camera? Okay, bye. See you guys there. My GF for today. We're here at the arena. We're actually late. The concert started around 2 p.m. 2 p.m. and it's already what time is it?
9:30.
9:30. So we're down to the last performer and we don't mind.
This is Leona.
It's raining so much in Malaysia nowadays, but at the same time it's like so hot in the morning, but when it rains here it's like really raining so bad. Okay, let's go check out the booth. Ayan, si Famous. Kilala siya dito. I thought she's using your casing. Like the Loop case thingy. What did you get?
I got a keychain.
Oh, I got a sticker. Hola.
Kamusta, mamacita? Mi nombre es Faiz. Tipo bawang.
What?
I swear, I'm not kidding.
What? Wait, tak faham.
I've been, I'm passing by people and people like sing like tipo bawang.
What does it mean?
My son.
And just do. You're not starting. Okay.
What is it? I'm so blurred.
No, I made a parody of this Raya song. So then everyone's singing it now. Remember I told you random people come up to me and ask me to
Because they were
sing?
singing that song originally.
All Star. Are you?
Artist.
I thought All
Maybe
Star.
can you read?
Okay, we have our own. I'll zoom it in so that you guys can see it.
Hola mga guys! I'm glad today. Say hi to my vlog.
Finally, I'm in your vlog. Somebody pay me. Hey, where's the shop?
Say hi to the birthday boy. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Yeah, of course. Baby girl, give me your phone.
kami, very spontaneous on the spot.
Amazing!
Guys, tapos na po yung concert. Tapos ito na yung parang aftermath kapag tapos na yung concert. Papakita ko sa inyo. Kami na yung huling andito. And ayan, wala ng mga tao. So, ganito po yung itsura. So, ngayon magpo-food trip kami. Sorry, I'm still vlogging. Magpo-food trip kami. And where are we going? This is so random. Let me hold it for you. This is Magat.
Hi guys, so
One of the best rappers in
shout out to
Malaysia.
Leona, shout out to Marianne, shout out to Lofty Pro. And you guys.
Hey, do I get paid? Shout out.
Shout out to Renegade.
I heard
Shout out to Leona. Man, she's a real entertainer, man. I'm telling you. Give her the mic.
You have to pay to get exposure. Not
Give
you
her
get
the
paid.
mic. And it's
we're going to... Don't know where we're going. Nandito na, nakarating na ako, and dito ko natatapusin yung vlog ko. I'm so happy that I'm with you too. And I'm back in vlogging. Just kidding.
You have to post more regularly.
Yeah, I know, starting today.
Road to 100K!
Almost there.
What she said.
Mahal kita.
Yeah, okay guys, I'm gonna end my vlog. Thanks so much for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that you'll be updated on my next vlog. Bye! Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Magat.